on this tune, which is called the Mosi-oa-Tunya, the waterfalls and the Zambezi, you know, and through the water coming over from such a great height. It causes a lot of what we call mist, and they call it the smoke, the thunder. So this is an inspiration we had obtained while we are here at that waterfalls and the Zambezi. Alright, Zimbabwe was the first place that I really went in Africa, and it was a great inspiration to even I and a privilege to even be amongst I people at that time. That was about 1982. Yes, I.
So at the time now, you know, was these the music you wrote in Africa literally?
This one, yes. Because we got the waterfalls, and when you feel the power or the spirit of the place, you know what I mean? It can move you to things, you know. So this one come from there. Mosi-oa-Tunya.
You know, I can follow your vibes, my brethren, because a couple of years ago I went to Ethiopia, and just for the first time being in Ethiopia, it was a wonderful vibes, you know. And if it wasn't for the idea, the original movement from way back when, and the elders like yourself, you know, and going to Zimbabwe and holding that flag for I and I, you know, we really give thanks for you and other cultural musicians, you know.
Yes, beloved, the people of Africa really welcome us, you know, and made us something. You know what I mean? They gave us a awareness of the greatness of the black man. And when you go there and you feel the powers that was in Zimbabwe at that time, you know there's something there, spiritually.
Yeah, you know. So is it just Zimbabwe alone that you've experienced traveling in Africa, or is it many other countries of Africa?
Beloved, we tried Zion, you know, and the treading of Zion is a blessing, man. One of who really tried. I can't say we even try to have Africa, but we try to load Africa. Africa big, you know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
big. It's a lifetime thing.
Yes,
yeah. So we've been to the west, the south, the east. You know, so we tried Africa.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we love it.
You know, I've met a lot of musicians in Ethiopia, and they have actually mentioned the Misty roots. They would love a privilege for your band to reach Ethiopia. What do you say about that?
Well, it will be a privilege to play in Ethiopia, you know, but really I never really push for that.